Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, the 23rd of November, 2022. Morning US30 Dow Jones analysis. This is not financial advice, just my opinion on the market structure for the day. Looking at news, we have USD 8:30 a.m. It is 8:30 a.m. as we speak. Core durable goods orders, unemployment claims. All of these are medium impact news events. Unemployment claims you can see came in at 240k, higher unemployment claims than the previous month. 9:45 we have flash services PMI. Okay, flash services PMI at 9:45 a.m. Flash services PMI. Okay, early estimate of the services purchasing managers index for country to provide an accurate advanced indication of the financial services PMI data, right? So that's what that news release is. 9:45 a.m. And then 10 a.m. we have new home sales, and then at 2 we've got FOMC meeting minutes. So it's a big day for news. Okay, could be a turning point. It could be another push to the upside. Daily. Bullish on the daily, okay? It is bullish. We could be seeing a return of the bullish price action that we always normally see, okay? If we look here, you know, it's always bullish since 2017. We have the crashes, but generally bullish action. It is displaying bullishness on the daily. The market condition is still bearish, but we are now about to break structure here. 0.3 in line with that supply zone at 3,400 is being smashed through to the upside. Very bullish and balanced candles on the daily here. Bullish structure, pullback, push to the upside. So yeah, bullish. We have a bullish daily channel here, right? It hasn't collapsed, and it looks very strong. So interesting times for me having traded this. I've only been trading the Dow Jones during the bear trend. I've never traded it in an uptrend. So yeah, just bracing myself to feel the change of behavior at the moment. But that's the daily, okay? 3,400, the supply zone we're at. Let's look at the 4 hour, going down from our top down analysis, still holding in this channel, okay? I mean, it's there. We can bring it out a little bit. We can restructure the channel a little bit to capture all these movements. It's hugging the bottom of it. Okay, and what I'm doing right now is just lining up. I'm just adjusting this channel. Okay, it's not. There's nothing set in stone regarding where this trend line should go. We've got 0.1 here, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, 0.4. Another 0.5. Really, it's hugging the bottom of this channel at the moment. You could call that a 0.5. Still bullish, okay? We're ever waiting for that collapse down. But at the moment, you know, it is pushing towards 34,500, which is top of 0.3 here on the left, okay? If it breaks above that, we have a break of structure on the daily time frame. If it breaks above this, the 4 hour, we have a break of structure, of market condition, bullish market condition possibility, okay? But yeah, bullish uptrend is still strong. Bullish uptrend, new for me. The strongest one we've had. The condition, the behavior feels different at the moment. Okay, so that's what's happening at the moment. Selling is dangerous. You know, you've got the possibility of being caught in a short sale to the upside. Yesterday, I took a sell here early in the session, but you know, it kept going to the upside. So just be wary of that. Be wary of that. 1 hour time frame now. Okay, I have a demand zone here. Right. Demand zone there. And we are ranging between 3,300 and 33,800 at the moment. It's pushed up, from yesterday's session all the way up to and held during Asia and London. Bullish, yeah. Let's readjust this. Trend line like we have. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bullish uptrend at the moment. Index is bullish. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500 just for a second. Okay, interesting. S&P 500 hasn't come out of its overhead channel yet. Okay, has not come out of its daily overhead channel yet on the S&P 500. Right, which is the overall congregate index of all 500 top companies, including the Dow Jones Index. But yeah, hasn't come out of its overhead channel yet, but we are bullish on the Dow Jones Index. Okay. Top of the mountain here. Tempted to sell there, but just the buying is so strong right now. Okay, but bullish. What's the price action here? We're at major 34,500 supply target. Yeah, push out, right? So let's see what happens. Come news today, we've got a lot of news today. This could be the top for the interim, and we have some selling. 1 minute. Yesterday, I did take that trade there. I took another cheeky little one in here as well, just for a wallet patter. Just came in, with a more of aggressive mindset, just to take some money, and then left the rest of the session. It was after this leg up and the shape of the river. It did indicate bullish action for me, so I put that in the group and stayed out. Grinding to the upside. Okay. Grinding to the upside, pitter-pattered out, pretty much no volatility during London or Asia at all. And that's just, we've got FOMC coming out today. We've got a lot of news. It's just waiting for that information to come out. So 2 p.m. today is FOMC. It's going to be there on the chart. Yeah, 2 p.m. Okay, river's flat right now. We've just had news coming at 8:30. Nothing. There's just nothing on it. There's no trade right now that I can see. I would be, just as we do. We look at our overhead supply to the left there. That's major supply. It has become demand. I would dare say that there'd be a pretty good buy there this morning, probably before the FOMC release. So this kind of action, I'd encourage you to do this analysis yourself before looking at mine, do the planning before looking at mine, and trust your gut. Okay. I haven't put a trade here yet. This is just the planned idea. That's what the supply zone is. Looking for that kind of action this morning, right? And if it is bullish, you can increase that take profit a little bit on the buyers. If we come in there, it could be a little deeper, the pullback down to here. Be prepared for that. With buying too, because it could be a deeper pullback, you can lower your lot size. So if you're trading 25 lots, you can go to 20 lots, and if you want to go higher, or you go 25 lots if it's lower, right? So 20 lots if it's higher. That's with the notion that it might jump back down into here and go into a drawdown for a little bit. Make sure you take your stop losses right down there at your max, okay? And make sure that this is not on before FOMC at 2 p.m. flash services at 9:45. Be wary of that, okay? Be wary of your news reports. Work with them, watch them as they come out calmly, see what's happening, see what the push looks like, and then take trades accordingly around that. FOMC, I would definitely not have any limit orders on beforehand, like at all. You can't trade news anyway in the prop fund account, so stay out of that. But that's this morning at the moment. Am I selling? Look what happened yesterday. It just, it shot. It's powerful to the upside at the moment. We're constantly attaining new heights at the moment. We're in no man's land. 40, we go to the 1 hour. We are at that 34,500 supply target. What is the exact peak here? It is, we can put this in, 34,283. So 34 on the 1 minute. We put in 34,283. That's the very, that's the peak to the left at 0.3 here on the daily. Okay, daily chart, referring back to our higher time frame analysis on at 0.3. That is 34,283. So look, I would sell here, but I would not have that on before FOMC. Okay, if it happens to peak up there in the morning, nice. Smaller take profit there, just in case it like kicks out like yesterday. Don't need much. That's the area it's going to turn around in. Something like that. Okay. So yeah, there are your two trades this morning. Keep an eye on that. And this is 8:42 a.m. on Wednesday, the 23rd of November, 2022. These are my opinions on today's session areas of interest where I would look to trade. Okay, in line with the riverbanks, supply zones, understanding where we are in terms of the higher time frame analysis. We're in an uptrend. Likelihood of directional movement would be a pullback in here and a kick out, and then also we have major daily supply to the left here, at the peak being 34,283. So that's how we incorporate our daily higher time frame analysis into our idea and keep ourselves in check, in flow. Simple as that. Thank you very much, guys. Have a beautiful day trading. I'll be checking in on the group later. Cheers.